Hi lovelies, thank you once again for coming back to watch my video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today, I share this simple Nigerian egg stew recipe with you all. It is so easy to make and you are going to love it. All you have to do is to trust the process for the guaranteed delicious outcome. If this is your first time on this channel, hello, this is the online cook. Kindly subscribe to be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, to start with this Nigerian egg stew recipe, I have these ingredients: one red long pepper, one scotch bonnet pepper, onions. I'd also be using green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. I'll be using one of each of all these ingredients. So I'll go back and list them again: one onion, one scotch bonnet pepper, one yellow bell pepper, one red bell pepper, one green bell pepper, and one red long pepper. As can be seen in the video, there are two green bell peppers. I'll be slicing one to use much later, and that is why I said you have to trust the process so that you can see exactly how I'm going to prepare or how I'm going to make this delicious egg stew for rice. After cleaning all the peppers, I'll proceed to cut the onion and peel off the dry skin to reveal the fresh white skin, which I'll be blending together with all the peppers. Before I blend, I like to say this: for my blender, I can blend without adding water, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. But if your blender cannot blend without water, I'd suggest you add some water and proceed to blend. I'll explain what can be done as this video continues. After blending off camera, it's time to boil the eggs. I'll pour some water into my pot. I'll put the raw eggs in the water, and then I'll cover the pot and boil for 20 minutes till the eggs are properly cooked. This recipe is a boiled egg recipe, and the type of egg I'm using is hard boiled eggs. After 20 minutes, the boiled eggs are ready and it's time to make the stew. For the stew, I'll put some palm oil into my pot. This is about 1/4 cup of palm oil. Because of the region where I live, the palm oil is frozen, and to remedy that, after I put it in the pot, I would cover the pot and turn the heat down to the lowest for about 2 minutes. This is the palm oil after 2 minutes. It has properly dissolved and it is time for the pepper mix. This is what the stew pepper mix looks like. So I'll pour everything into my pot. I'll give it a nice stir to combine the pepper mix with the palm oil. Then I'll proceed to season. For seasoning this egg sauce, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll also be using 1 stock cube, which I'll crush into the sauce or the pepper mix. Next, I'll go in with my 1 teaspoon of dry thyme and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. After this, I'll give everything a nice mix to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined with the pepper mix for the stew as well as the palm oil. Then I'll cover the pot and cook on medium heat for 7 minutes. This is what the stew looks like after 7 minutes, and it is almost ready. But because I still have some other things to add, I'll take my time and I'll show you exactly how this is going to be done. Now I'll put my already boiled eggs and give it a nice mix again as well. Then I'll turn the heat down to the lowest, and then I'll cover the pot and cook for 8 minutes. This is the stew after 8 minutes. It's thick, it's nice, it's lovely. But then because I'll still add vegetable, so I'll go in and add my already sliced spinach. Then I'll add my sliced green peppers as well. I'll give everything I'll give everything a nice mix and stir, and then I'll cover the pots and still cook on low heat for 4 minutes. So I said I was going to explain what to do if you have to blend your peppers with some water. All you need to do is, after you pour the blended pepper mix into the palm oil and you add all the other ingredients, you cover the pot and you cook for longer time till it is thicker. The reason why the thickness is necessary is because of the spinach. Spinach has high water content, and if the stew is watery from the beginning, it's going to be too watery when you add the spinach. Take a look at this stew. After steaming the spinach for 5 minutes, you can see that it's a little bit watery. And this is why I would suggest you steam till it is thicker. Thank you for watching this video.